Hi, Melissa here from Roberts Real Estate. Let me show you 12 William Street in Bridport. This beautifully renovated cottage sits on a large 952 metre square parcel of land and is a real blank canvas for any gardener to make their own. Alternatively, mow your lawn, park your boat and enjoy your days knowing you have nothing else to do. From the moment you walk in the secure gated entrance, you'll come to realise the owner has added many extras to make this cottage something to be proud of. With a complete renovation inside, there leaves nothing to do. With light filtering in from every aspect, this is a place to sit back and enjoy what life has to offer in beautiful Bridport. Whether it's entertaining on the huge deck or just spending your days at sea, bringing back tales of the one that got away, this will be the place to make memories. Out back you'll find a fully lined garage and workshop that could easily double as a sleep out. So if you can see yourself spending your days here, give me a call and I'll show you through.